Hi everyone, I wanted to take some time to go over week 12's assignments. So let's get into it. Let's scroll down to week 12. And you can see this week we are working on rough drafts, and an outline is an optional labor this week if you want to. So this week we don't have any discussion posts because I'd like you to focus on working on your workshop rough draft, which is due on Moodle week 12, Sunday by 11:59 p.m. So let's take a look at our labor number 3 project handout. So I just want to remind you that the draft that you're working on is for the labor number 3, which is read this, not that, write your textbook. And we have the instructions, including information about the length, the format, the assignment guidelines, so what kinds of materials you need to have, how many sources you need to have, etc., and so on. All of that is here on pages 1 through 4 of the, 1 through 5 of the labor number 3 project handout. So when you're working on your rough draft, you definitely want to consult these instructions because it tells you the specifics of the assignment. Okay, so let's scroll down to week 12 and we can see here we've got some sample essays to read on Moodle. There's some outline information, and then from outlining to drafting. So the assignment due this week is your workshop rough draft, which is due on Sunday, as I said, by 11:59 p.m. There's also an optional outline due on Wednesday. Actually, I'm going to make that Thursday because Wednesday is a holiday, Veterans Day. So it will be due on Thursday by 11:59 p.m. So if you want a little bit of structure, I recommend doing the outline. Also, if you complete the outline, you will get some additional feedback from me. So let's take a look at what this looks like on Moodle. We can see the reading assignments and the sample labor number 3 projects. There are several here for you to read. I recommend taking a look at all of them because they are good examples for you to look at. And then, of course, we have our rough draft, which is due on Sunday. And then here is the outline assignment. And you will probably notice that the outline looks very similar to what the information that is in our labor number 3 project handout. So this shouldn't be surprising to you. I've given you this information to help you be successful with the essay. So you should utilize it to help yourself. And if you want to do some additional labor to work towards increasing your baseline B, this is a chance to do that. And that's what we're working on this week. Our student Zoom hours are back to their regularly scheduled times. So if you want to meet with me privately, Mondays from 12 to 1 is the time to do that. And you can sign up for a meeting here. And then Tuesdays and Wednesdays, we have a little bit more collaboration with me. You can pop in and ask a question and potentially work with some classmates if anyone chooses to join. So if you have any questions, just let me know.